Wait! We're gonna show you how to be a good person!
Oh, really?
Yes.
Fine,
You know what?
show me.
Let's sing our song. 1, 2, 3. F is for friends who do stuff together. U is for you and me. N is for anywhere and anytime and all. Down here in the deep blue. Bum, 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 bum.
F is for fire that burns down the whole town. U is for uranium. Bomb. N is for no survivors.
No.
No.
You have to sing it like this.
No.
Here, I'll show you.
Friends who do stuff together. U is for ukulele.
And
It's for any and anytime you want.
down here in the deep blue.
You guys totally did not sing the second part. U is for ukulele. N is for nose picking, cherry gum and sand licking. Down here with my best buddy.
Wait, what was the F for? F is
For
flower.
frolic through all the flowers. U is for ukulele. N is for nose picking, cherry gum and sand licking. Here is my best buddy.
Buddy.
Bump, 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 bump.